Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of Maths, Class 4, Exercise 6.2. In 6.2, question number 4b, find the values of 2/3 of 18 pence. So 2/3 of 18 pence means of means here multiply. So solution, you will write 2/3 of 18 pence. So we will multiply 2/3 into 18. So 18 you can write as fractional number 18/1. So 2/3 of 18/1. Now what will we do? You will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So when we multiply numerator into numerator, 2 into 18 we get 36, and denominator into denominator 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So we have got 36/3 pence. Now we will divide 36/3, and we know that 36 is exactly divisible by 3. So we can divide like this here, 3. Directly we can divide here, or we can divide in the rough work, and answer we can put here. Answer we can write here. 3 1 ja 3, then 6, 3 2 ja 6. So after dividing, in this way also we can divide. So 12 pence we have got. So answer we will write here 12 pence. So the value of 2/3 of 18 pence is equal to 12 pence. Now one question, 5a of this exercise. Represent the fraction 4/7 on the number lines drawn below. This is number line, and we know that 4/7 is less than 1, because numerator is less than denominator. So when in any fraction numerator is less than the denominator, then this fraction is less than 1 fraction. So 4/7 is less than 1 and more than 0. So 4/7 we will put anywhere between 0 and 1. Now on the number line we will write 1.0 and 1.1. Now in between 0 and 1, what will we do? Here you see in 4/7 denominator is 7. So we will divide 0 to 1 into 7 equal parts. And how can we divide 7 equal parts? So between 0 and 1 we will put 6 equal distance lines. Then we will get 7 equal parts. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal points we have given. Now you count the part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next what will you do? Denominator is 7. So 0 you will convert into denominator 7. So 0 you can write as 0/7. And 1 is also you will write as a denominator 7. So how will you write 1 as denominator 7 and is equivalent to 1? So we know that if numerator and denominator are same, then it is equivalent to 1. So we will write here 7/7. Now we will divide 0/7 and 7/7 into 7 equal parts. So after 0, 1 comes, then 2 comes, then 3 comes, then 4 comes, then 5 comes, then 6 comes, then 7 comes. So we will count the numbers after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to put the number fraction 4/7 on the number 9. So fourth number when you count, that place we will write 4/7. Now you see that 0 and 1 is divided into 7 equal parts, and 4 by 7 is from 0 you will count fourth place 4 by 7. So this is the exact number line where 4 by 7 will be exist. Now in this way you will solve other questions also about number lines. You will always you will see the denominator, and when the fraction is less than 1 you will divide 0 and 1 into equal denominator parts. Here denominator was 7, so we have divided this into equal 7 parts. If denominator is 5 you will divide 0 and 1 into equal 5 parts. In this way you can solve any questions with any type of denominators. Thank you.